This is my hair after my wash day. I just finished washing the hair, and this is the same hair 3 days later. So I started on a freshly washed hair. I worked with 8 sections, and I'm going to maintain the 8 sections. So what I'm basically doing here is just trying to make the parts neater. So that is just what I'm doing here. But I'm still working on the same 8 sections. So that would be 4 on each side. So here I'll just comb. After combing the hair, I go in with my hair mousse, and I am going to twist the hair like the regular twists. So you can make your twist to be loose, but here I did a tight twist. So after that, I'll just hold the base of the hair, then I'll wrap it round the base, just like that. It is as easy as that. So that is it. I'm going to repeat the same process all through the rest of the hair. I was just tired on this day after the wash day, so that is why I worked through these 8 sections. They were too big for my hair length actually. So if you can make it smaller, it will give you a more defined curves. So I don't know how you wear your hair, what you do to your hair after your wash day. Personally, it is either I twist them, braid them, or do African trading if I want to straighten the hair. So on this day, I decided to try something different, and that is why I did this bantu knot. Yeah, I wanted to do something I can actually go out without using scarf or a hat, and this worked perfectly for me. Remember to moisturize your hair before this. So I am not showing how I moisturized my hair here. If you watch my previous video, I talked about how I wash my hair and how I prevent breakage. So I moisturized the hair after washing. I listed the products I used for the wash day, so you can check that out. But today, here, I just went straight to the point, straight to the bantu knot. So I'll just show you how I did the bantu knot, how I was able to achieve those bouncy beautiful curls you saw at the beginning of the video. You see these whitish things that are showing? Do not worry about them. When once the hair dries up, just in a few minutes you won't see them again. Seconds, in a few seconds you won't see them again. Yeah, so we've gotten to the last hair, the last section. So after this, I will just leave the hair like that for 3 days. This is the back. So this is after 3 days. 3 days later, so I just applied oil to my fingers before taking down. This is actually optional, but I normally do this because I don't want my hair to break, things like that. So I'll just take down each of the bantu knots, and you can see how the curls are. It would have looked better, it would have been better if they were smaller, but all the same, I appreciate it. I liked it. At least I managed it for that day, and that was it. So here I'm just going in with my edge control, just to make sure the edges are neat. Then I now went in to separate each of the bantu knots out to give it that fuller look. You can see how beautiful the curls are. This looks beautiful. So here I'm just going in with my comb to pick the roots so that it will give it that fuller look. You don't want your scalp to be showing. So doing this will help give that fuller look to the roots of the hair, thereby making the hair look fuller. So this is what the hair looks like. It's quite beautiful. It's nice, though not what I expected, but I was so happy with the results. I'll try it again. This is actually my second attempt at this bantu knot out. So I really hope that my third attempt will look better. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried this before? Please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here, or if you're yet to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Let's get to know each other. See you in my next video. Bye.